Hi, let's make the gooseberry pickle or amla pickle or nellika achar. My mom's recipe. When gooseberries are in season, my favorite way to use it is to make pickle and store it for later use. Let's make it together. Around half kilo gooseberry, 1 bulb of garlic, a handful of curry leaves, that's all needed, and the masalas. This pickle can be made with gooseberry as whole or full gooseberry, or the gooseberry can be made into small pieces. The pieces will be mixed with salt and kept aside for 15 to 20 minutes. Please do not skip this part as this helps in the pickling process, as water will be oozed out from the gooseberry and it helps in the pickling process. Around 2 tablespoons of oil, sesame oil, 2 teaspoons of mustard seeds, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, around 4 teaspoons of Kashmiri chili powder. Reduce the flame to lower. Around half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add 2 teaspoons of asafoetida or hing. Smell of this masala is reduced, so time to add gooseberry. Just mix it properly so that all the pieces are coated with the masala really well. The gooseberries were in the masala for around 5 to 10 minutes. Now it's time to add hot boiling water, around 1 cup to half a cup. Reduce the flame to low and let this get cooked perfectly. We can add up to 2 cups of water because the quantity of water will depend on how much gravy you want for the pickle, and half of it will be reduced because we are going to boil it for around 5 to 10 minutes. See, it started boiling. Now it's time to check the saltness. The saltness should be a little bit more than the normal salt because it's a pickle and it needs to be preserved, and the gooseberry will absorb the saltness, so we'll add a little bit more. So time to check the saltness. So we'll add around 2 teaspoons of salt, check if the quantity of hing is less, asafoetida is less. You can add 1 more teaspoon when it is boiling. The gooseberry should be cooked, semi-cooked. The rest will happen in the fermentation, in the pickling process. The highlight of this pickle is the sourness or tanginess of the gooseberry or nellika paired with the spiciness and the flavor of the sesame oil. This pickle holds good for around 3 to 4 months in the refrigerator. You can keep it aside also outside. It maybe stays good for around 2 to 3 weeks because our gooseberry is semi-cooked. The fermentation process will be fastened if you keep it outside. So 2 weeks to 3 weeks can be kept in the outside the refrigerator. If you keep it in the refrigerator, the pickling process will be delayed and we can use it for later use, as in 3 to 4 months. Hope you all have enjoyed this amazing recipe. This is my mom's amla pickle or gooseberry pickle or nellika achar. Do try it at home and provide the feedback in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. Once the pickle is being made, keep it aside for cooling down completely. Once it cools down, store it in glass jars or mason jars, and on top of the mason jars, drizzle around 1 to 2 teaspoons of sesame oil or gingerly oil so that it is well preserved. Adding the sesame oil enhances the flavor of the pickle.